Today, I'll show you step by step how to bring a mountain dog rhododendron back to life. This one here is a blue azalea. The same method works beautifully for Ying Shanhong and most other rhododendron varieties. Before planting, it's important to understand how it grows in nature. In the wild, rhododendrons thrive in mountain valleys, where the air is humid, the soil is loose, and moisture is always present. They love slightly acidic conditions, so we'll need to recreate that environment. Now, follow along carefully. Every step matters. I never include anything unnecessary. Each detail here is essential for success. If you follow this method exactly, your plant's survival rate will be incredibly high when trimming the roots. Don't be afraid to cut some off. It won't stop the plant from growing. But make sure the cut surfaces are clean and smooth. Use a sharp knife to trim away any crushed edges. The smoother the cut, the faster it heals, and the quicker new roots will emerge. Remove all thin, weak roots. They don't help the plant. A clean base encourages stronger root development and prevents mold from forming. Next, disinfect the surface with a gentle sterilizing solution. Many people skip this step, and their plants later develop mold, so don't forget it. In addition to soaking, lightly brush the roots with an antifungal treatment. Add a small amount of glucose and a rooting enhancer for better growth. I won't mention the exact formula here, but I'll share it in the comments later. Then, add another bit of fungicide and let the plant soak in the mixture for 2 to 3 hours. For these deep-rooted types, use granular soil such as river sand or akadama. Kanuma soil also works perfectly for rhododendrons. Before using any of these soils, even akadama or kanuma, always sift them with a fine 14 mesh screen to remove excess powder. This step is crucial. Fine dust reduces oxygen in the soil, and oxygen is key for root growth. The looser and more breathable the soil, the healthier the roots will become. When planting rhododendrons, make sure the soil is slightly acidic. Kanuma soil already has the right acidity, but other types may need adjustment. I won't go into the specific materials here, but I'll share more about that in the comments. The goal is to recreate the natural, slightly acidic conditions they love in the wild. Even the water you use for soaking the roots should help maintain that balance. When tested, the pH should be around 5.5, ideal for rhododendron growth. Before roots form, the plant can tolerate small changes. But once it starts rooting, pH becomes very important. Many people find that after rooting, their rhododendrons start to decline again, and it's often because the soil acidity isn't right. Choose a pot with excellent drainage at the bottom. Avoid fully sealed pots that trap moisture. Fill it with the prepared soil, and always protect your hands. Avoid handling with open cuts, and wear a mask if working with powders after soaking. Place your rhododendron cutting into the pot. It doesn't need to be buried too deep. Just cover about half the stem. Use the soaking solution as your first watering, making sure the soil is thoroughly moistened after watering. Don't cover immediately with a bag or dome. Wait at least 4 to 5 hours, or even better, leave it overnight. This allows excess moisture to drain away, keeping the soil comfortably damp, not soggy.